United Arab Emirates, a country blending cosmopolitan luxury with a rich cultural heritage, a reputation and lifestyle admired the world over. The UAE believes in a proud past culture, with visionaries who continue to seek innovation and progress. From traditional pearl diving and rural agriculture to the skylines of contemporary cities, the country's growth and proud history is clearly visible across all 7 emirates. Within the capital city emirate, Abu Dhabi, lies AlAin, an oasis where the centre point of lush natural greenery is very much visible. AlAin has the divine climatic conditions for the best possible farming, greening and flowering. Over 30 years ago, the late great Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan saw beyond the rolling sand dunes of AlAin to pioneer a farm where fresh dairy products could be produced. His forethought paved the way for the AlAin dairy. Today, the AlAin dairy is the largest dairy producer in the UAE and has earned its reputation as the trusted brand for freshness and quality. What was once known only to Bedouin tribes and nomads of the desert is now being heralded as liquid gold. At one of the world's largest, most state-of-the-art camel farms, thousands of camels live in luxury. The tradition of livestock care and its yield are the inspirational story for the new generation. It is the first camel milking centre in the world, with sophisticated automated machines where 24 hours, 365 days camel care is ensured. The milking process is well designed, with the support of a high-technology processing centre. Here, camel milk is the priority. Camel milk has emerged from centuries of obscurity to become known as a nutritional powerhouse and medical marvel. With the help of modern-day science, new health benefits are continually being discovered. Complementing the existing Camel A range of camel milk products, AlAin Dairy is proud to introduce 2 new products: camel milk ice cream, the first commercially marketed camel milk ice cream in the world, and camel milk powder. With the finest freshly chopped dates and cashew nuts folded into silky smooth camel milk ice cream, date ice cream is a flavour steeped in Middle Eastern tradition. Satisfy your cravings with the elegance of saffron spice, roasted pistachio and butterscotch sauce blended with luxurious camel milk ice cream. Premium camel milk ice cream swirled with caramel truffles and pecan pieces to create an unforgettable blend of flavours to excite your taste buds. An indulgent combination of cardamom-flavoured camel milk ice cream, pieces of chocolate-coated hazelnuts and ripples of rich, sweet coffee syrup. Pure chocolate pieces and sauce swirled in delicious camel milk ice cream creates a luscious bliss to entice all your senses. Made with a unique blend of sugar-free vanilla camel milk ice cream, raspberry puree ripple and roasted almonds, a guiltless indulgence. At the AlAin dairy, leading spray drying technology is being used to produce camel milk powder made from 100% fresh camel milk. A versatile product bringing all the health benefits of camel milk to you in convenient, ready-to-use pouches. By embracing advanced technology, research and development, AlAin Dairy is a company continually at the forefront of a growing consumer industry and leading the way in market trends. With unparalleled commitment to quality and innovation, we are poised for exponential growth, introducing our full range of camel milk products to the global market.